Thought I wouldn't make it. Thought the tests were kind of hard. They were kind of scary, for a test, big test. They came and helped me through the school because I wasn't gonna pass, and they gave me a second chance on passing, having a GED, and yeah, that's how I found out. It's a relief. I passed. Didn't think I was gonna. Yeah, it's exciting. It was good. We did hands-on activities. We learned a lot, and I progressed a lot in the class. Yes, definitely, a lot of changes. Academically, I learned a lot, and I was ready for the tests. I did the test with more confidence than when I started, and I passed. Hobbies, I do a lot of physical training, a lot of going to the gym. Going to turning it into the Army and going to basic training and then doing my AIT so I can pass and become an actual soldier and then go to college. I started when they came to my school and then they showed us what they did. I've been wanting to do it since I was a kid, but then it kind of laid off a bit, but then it came back once they came. That's when I started to want to go. Maybe doctor's degree, if not cosmetology, maybe mechanics. I have those three in mind. Classmates were really cooperative. We laugh sometimes at jokes, maybe stuff like that. We did some of our work together. We did a lot of activities together. It was really fun. Miss Maisha was really fun. We had to do activities. She helped us in parts that we were stuck at, and she helped us progress academically. And that's why I feel confident in taking the GED. That's how I passed, with her help. Real challenge was I'm kind of lazy. I don't do work. Whenever they told me to do work, I would leave it off. I'm like, I have until this, I have until that. I didn't really do it. But I see how this course actually let me academically be stronger. So I kind of finished my work. I did everything. But yeah, doing the work was kind of the hardest part. Keep going. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard, but you'll make it really well.